Welcome to the channel. This is gonna be the first video on the channel. I wanted to start off with an unboxing that's really special to me. I wanted to start off with, well, if you read the title, it's gonna be the Pokemon Dialga and Palkia themed Switch. It's based off the Diamond and Pearl Nintendo DS, and honestly, Pokemon is my favorite series. My favorite series, like for games specifically, because I've played every single mainline game, and I did already have a Switch Lite. I actually have the Zacian and Zamazenta Switch Lite, but once they came out with this one, I knew I had to get it. And the funny thing is, this wasn't like super hard to get, but I originally ordered from GameStop, and I have no clue what's going on with that order. It basically, I don't know, like basically they said that the order number doesn't exist or something like that, and then when I check the tracking it says waiting on the shipment or carrier to arrive, something like that, and I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna get it from GameStop. So I actually tried to get it from Walmart, which seemed to be really easy because it was still in stock. So maybe by the time you see this video and you still want it, maybe it'll still be in stock. But I got it pretty simply, and they shipped it out the next day. I literally ordered it yesterday, and one day later it's in my hands. And let's get to the unboxing. Okay, sorry if it's a little shaky. I do have my camera basically attached to my desk by tripod, so if this moves, then obviously the frame moves. Oh man. Alright, so I was really scared that this package wouldn't have what I ordered, but Walmart did not fail us, because look at it right there. Bam! Your boy copped it. Nintendo Switch Lite Dialga and Palkia edition. So it's really straightforward, the packaging and everything, but wow, here it is. So let's get into opening it. From my initial guess, I'm gonna assume that this is just gonna have the console itself. I don't think it's gonna have any charger or anything, but we can find out right now. So yeah, the box is pretty empty once you take out the system. Let's just have this in the background. Have that right there. But here's the main focus. It's gonna be the Switch itself. I open this up. It's in plastic. Let's see if there's anything back here. So actually, to my surprise, they did actually give a charger. So that's handy, because could never go wrong with more chargers. So it's the simple one. You plug it into the wall, and it seems to be a little bit longer than the one that came with my Switch Lite, my Zacian Zamazenta one, but nonetheless it gets the job done. Yeah, it looks pretty long. This is what it looks like. Let's see, this is the manual. I don't think anyone really pays attention to these, me included, so let's throw that away. But here it is. It's wrapped up nicely. And here's where you could see the fine details of it. You could see that Dialga is silver, Palkia is gold. And they went with a, oh, you could see me. But anyways, they went with a monochromatic black look, which I really like, because it is contrast to, sorry, it's not focusing, what the heck. It is contrasts my Zamazenta and Zacian Switch Lite. And speaking of which, I'll probably just bring it up to compare the two, but let's see how they look. As you can see, I have my Zacian and Zamazenta Switch right here. I do have covers on it. It's a little bit hard to see because it's reflective, the case, but I have the little knob, or the little Joy-Con sticker thingies on it. I don't know what to call them. I'm blanking right now. But if you look at them side by side, obviously they're the same size. They're really smooth. I don't feel any differences besides I do feel like this one is a little, the texture is more matted on this one. It's, yeah, it's definitely textured different. You could feel the outline of the freaking drawings. But anyways, these are both solid pickups. For any Pokemon like super fan like me, I do highly recommend you get it. As you can see, before even getting like a real Nintendo Switch, I have two Lites, so you could tell my priorities are in the right place. But if you guys want to see like a comparison or just between these two in the next video, let me know. But for now, this is going to be the first video. This is my first unboxing ever, so kind of try to be easy on me because I'm not used to this type of content. But if you're asking me if it's worth getting this Switch, I would say 100% yes if you are a Pokemon fan. In fact, I did end up buying both Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. There's no reason for me to have both games, but like I said, I'm a Pokemon super fan, and we'll have an unboxing on that when they come in. But hopefully you guys like the video. I'll see you guys in the next upload.